Zoom is getting back to business. As Zoom video communications can attest, being a verb isn't always all it's cracked up to be. While Zoom's quick video communications platform propelled the company to the forefront of the COVID-19 pandemic, being associated with virtual cocktail parties and other oddities for the past year has had its drawbacks. The company's business has continued to grow, but few stocks have fared worse in the so-called recovery trade. Since Pfizer announced a vaccine breakthrough on November 9, Zoom's stock has dropped 35%. Since then, the Nasdaq Composite, which includes many other pandemic-related stocks, has risen 15% in value. The company's fiscal first quarter results, which were released late Tuesday, should help to halt the decline. Revenue increased 191% year-over-year to $956 million. Zoom raised its revenue forecast for the current fiscal year. In after-hours trading, Zoom announced that it would license its video conferencing technology to other businesses. This could increase network usage, potentially increasing network usage. Zoom announced Tuesday that 1.5 million Zoom phone seats have been sold, up from 1 million at the start of the year. UBS. The post-pandemic end state appears to be work from anywhere. At around 25 times forward sales, Zoom's stock isn't cheap. However, that is less than half of the stock's peak multiple in October, and a fairly mid-range valuation in the cloud software space, where at least a half dozen others trade for well over 30 times. Even in the face of stiff competition from much bigger names like Microsoft, Zoom's position as a perceived leader in the video communication space should boost its business sales prospects. After all, being a verb might not be so bad.